I know, I made it that way. Hello, everyone. I'm here with my, a family member.
She's my big sister.
No, not truly, but like in our hearts. And this is, be careful.
It's not even recording us.
Yes, it is. Look. Okay, I'm gonna read some of this. I've met so many cute boys at the ball. I hope one of them think I'm look cool. Wait, no.
I met so many cute boys at the ball. I hope one of them think I look cool.
No, you do it. Now you say it. Go ahead, say it. Say it. Say it. Say it.
Yeah, she says it first. You say it. I met so.
Okay, I'm gonna do something twisted.
Yes, hi.
No, this is. Okay, so I'm gonna say it first, okay? What did you say?
No.
You said penis and vagina.
You just said that. Ew.
I could have said that.
You just said it.
Or cock. Oh, it's a boy. It's a girl. Stop.
What if I turned off your computer? Would you be mad?
Hell yeah. If you dare do that, I will destroy you.
I'm not. I'm just going to show you something.
Oh, hey, stop that.
Make it all the way dark.
Fine, I don't know if we're going to be able to see that. So.
Wait, I'm going to pretend.
No.
No. Can't see it. I heard what you said. What did I say?
Why did you just turn it off?
No, it's still humming. Shut up.
Sorry. I mean, why did you turn it off?
I'm gonna do something. I'm actually gonna turn it off.
No! Don't you dare! Don't you dare! Give it back! Give it back! Give it back! The recording's gonna...
Ah!
Oh no, I'm so sorry! I turned it back on, you guys. It's okay.
Wait, I'm gonna turn it off.
Wait.
I'm gonna turn it off. Did you hear that? I'm gonna turn it off.
Yeah, okay. Whatever you say, kiddo.
No, I'm gonna turn it off. Like, but I don't want you guys looking. See, I'm gonna have the light all the way on. Oh, sorry.
See, the light is all the way on.
Now I'm gonna turn.
I know how to do it.
I'm gonna turn it.
You do that. Not for long.
Hey, you can't look.
Go away. Go away, kids. Go away, kids.
I can't see. I just turned it off.
Look.
No, seriously, see? I can hear it.
What? I can't hear anything.
Oh, that's just computers. That's how they do it.
Look, it's all the way off. I'm gonna turn it back on. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. What?
Yes.
No, stop!
I didn't. How does that not even turn it off?
Okay.
I have to press shift.
No. No, stop! You don't stop.
How does that... Why is it... What is this thing that's on top of it?
Delete. It
No,
is a
this-
cover.
Why do you have a cover?
So don't get... Look at it. Look how dirty it is. Look how dirty it is. The kids won't get it until, like, they're older.
Yes, sir.
Dirty. They won't get what the word dirty means yet. Stop! Give it back. I'm recording. Bit. I'm recording. I said bit.
Find your thrill. Twist, fly, drop, speed, and
this
soar
channel
at the thrill capital. Nowhere else can you find so many
this isn't
thrills
part
in
of it.
one place. Save up to $25 at 6
This isn't part of it. Is that how you pretend?
Yeah, knock it off. Huh? Hey, Billy, shut up. You know what? Hey,
Yeah,
Billy, this is part of my vocal training. You know I have a tight esophagus. I have to stretch it out every day. And this is my time. I'll just keep singing. I don't care. You can't stop me, eh? Shut up!
Making my way downtown, walking songs.
Guys.
Josh, go put those corn dogs back.
That's a lot of fish. Holy shit.
Holy shift.
Holy snap.
Oh, wait, you need to watch
He's really
this.
going in on him right now. Hey, guys, it's your girl, Very Plump 23. Hopefully
This guy's really
people
funny.
don't comment
Do we
on
want
how
to see
plump
something
I
really
am
scary?
in Roblox rap battles. If anybody's
Gauze. You're gonna be scared, okay? Let me just go on to his... Where is his basement tour?
God's basement tour.
Mickey Mouse.
Basement. Ready?
Me.
Here it is.
Yes.
Good afternoon, everybody. Guz here, and I just got back from the Halloween store. Oh, hey, look, it's me. I mean, there I am. There I am again. And there's Susie. Look, there he is again. There's Yucko. So handsome. Wow, Guz, you sure are handsome.
Stop screaming.
You're not gonna get hurt.
Now, it's time for a tour of my
So,
basement.
Albert,
Here's the
Mr. Flim Flam is the YouTuber from Flamingo. And he's friends with him. And he's friends with this guy.
front.
And people ship him with him.
Okay, let's just continue.
Here's the front desk for my office, and this is my radio.
It says Gauze.
Now we're going
We're watching a video. We're also playing a game at the same time. Hi, Claude. I'm Maddie.
My name is Sherry. I am cold.
Okay, so did you get a tea sandwich?
Tea sandwich.
What?
Huh?
Hooked on a feeling.
How is that thing floating?
Here's our tea sandwich.
I heard some of you, what you said. I am cold.
Yo! I'm eating something food.
Hello.
Hello, I will eat. Oh, no, you know what we should say? I'm gonna say something. Hello, I will eat your soul. Hello, I will eat your soul. Whoa, take care. I'm making a big. Okay, let's go up to a new person and say something completely weird. Nothing sexual because you can't see it. Wait, what's
Why
this?
not?
Wait, what's this? Okay,
Why can't you?
what's this? A boy?
Why can't you say
Axis? Wait, because it's Roblox and they're.
Is this the girl's locker room?
Yep. Look at this.
You just
Look at this.
touch it. I'm closing my eyes because I don't like what girls like.
Okay, I'm gonna go up to Oh, there's a girl. Okay, you say something. You say something.
You.
Oh, wait, no. Okay, so we're gonna find a girl to talk to, okay?
No, pet it.
Okay. Ready? So we
No,
follow this
touch it.
person. Okay,
No
I'm gonna
heart.
say,
No, pet
Hey.
it hot.
hello.
I will eat you.
No, you say something, but nothing bad. It
Okay.
also get censored. Censored.
Wait, or else it'll get what?
Censored. Don't say something bad.
Censored?
Wait, no.
What is
Censored.
censored?
Censored.
Censored?
Yeah.
And what will happen?
Pet it.
This will happen.
You pet it.
Okay, no. Just say something on this.
You pet it.
Hi.
Just pet it. Mickey Mouse.
No, it don't even go. What are you trying to say?
You pet it, Mickey Mouse.
What are you trying?
You pet it, Mickey Mouse.
Wait, no, I have to do. Okay, I have a meme for you. Okay, so first I'm gonna come down from here.
Pet
I'm gonna
it, Mickey
go
Mouse.
up.
Pet it, Mickey Mouse.
Okay, I'm petting. Mwah.
Can you go back outside?
No, wait for this. Okay.
Pet it.
I'm gay
You're pet it.
meme.
You pet it.
So here's the meme.
Keep your business insured in 10 minutes or less at next-insurance.com.
Okay. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna make my body. I'm gonna put on something green.
Hey, look out. I'm cute.
Put on something green. I'm gonna make my skin green so people can clearly see the difference.
Oh, you look like
Ready?
a zombie.
Ready?
Oh, they're probably gonna call you, you're a zombie.
Falls down, jumps off ledge.
Mickey Mouse, Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse.
Should we go to the pool and show off our fancy tail? Watch this, ready for it?
You're in the pool.
Ready? We're gonna transform. Take. Avoid your eyes! Avoid your eyes, young man.
Oh, yeah.
Then evil wings. What do you think?
Ah,
Evil wings?
you're a rubbish.
Y'all being good?
Yep! We're just playing a game.
Can't you guys just can't you just stop coming over here? And
Let's just stop.
Hey, Addie, I got a question for you.
what?
You know who they are?
No,
You know who those two are?
no.
They're my kids. You don't see the resemblance from Zach to me?
Holy smokes.
Is he actually your dad?
Holy smokes.
Is
That your wife is the one who is that person?
Yes. I know, it's crazy, right? So if you ever wonder why I'm checking on you guys, that's because those are my kids.
I never knew you had children.
I have two of them. They're right there.
I can see that.
Yeah.
Abby, hey, come here. Come here. Guys, miss. Come here.
You've seen a horsefly. Wait, you've seen a horsefly.
There you go.
You've seen
Okay.
a. What else to the fly? A fly. You've seen a fly. You've seen a wolf fly. No, you've seen a.
Heart fly. Hot fly.
Oh my god, this is
Mommy too.
You've seen a horsefly, but have you ever seen a mermaid fly?
yeah.
No, a mermaid fly. A merman.
Yeah.
Because you did. I hate you. Not really. Where are you going?